Usually, individuals only depend on green tea drinks to enjoy the different well-being outcomes and enhance reaction. Getting green tea tablets weight loss at this time has created it probable for people to take pleasure in a fitter and leaner determined without having the side effects. The extra usefulness that tablets offer you also can make the herb hugely common in many nations around the world throughout the globe. Men and women can conveniently do away with undesirable body fat and body weight in only a few weeks. They're able to uncover a variety of items in several areas. It's critical to complete some experiments initially. Concerning the tablets certainly are a derivative of the green tea extract taken through the Camellia sinensis plant. These are generally a processed sort of your product is offered also in other can make like powders, capsules, and drink mixes. Mainly, people have a preference for green tea as a consequence of its unwanted fat loss results. Tea is made up of catechins and EGCG, which will induce several activities that should eventually eradicate excess fat and body weight. Apart from having a slimmer determine, people today will even be risk-free from cholesterol, excess fat, and high blood pressure. The tablets incorporate much less caffeine in comparison to authentic tea beverages and can also include a number of vitamins and minerals to boost wellness and soothe the senses. Most goods will require men and women to take 1 to 3 tablets for each day, relying on the efficiency of the combined. The way you eliminate excess weight. Individuals will get rid of fat successfully because antioxidants, flavonoids, and catechins in green tea act on the distinct units from the entire body. One of the most handy techniques is hindering the absorption of carbs and sugars, thus limiting the conversion of carbohydrates into fat. Cholesterol absorption is additionally minimized. Catechins will increase the quantity of HDL or great cholesterol in the human body. When excellent cholesterols rise, negative cholesterols go down. It, it will likely be easier for people today to prevent weight problems and will even be safeguarded against cardiovascular and coronary heart illnesses. A lot of persons have ultimately gotten from their old habits and body weight troubles just by getting the green tea tablet weight loss for any several weeks. The report sensation comprehensive and sated most of the time instead of getting signs or symptoms of sickness, as conveniently compared to taking other multivitamins and supplements. Making the tablets. The tablets are generally made by extracting green tea leaves and after that incorporating quite a few other agents that may raise metabolism, lower the core or entire body temperature, and burn up much more excess fat. The tablets will get the job done ideally when taken collectively with a nutritious reduced body fat diet and regular physical exercise. Individuals will report shedding up to 10 to 15 pounds in just 1 month. The primary strategy should be to persistently choose the nutritional supplements. The tablets will differ in sort, form, and dimension according to the producer. Be sure to get tablets that are 100% natural and organic and all natural. The processes in producing the tablets will differ, so be sure to get only from reputable corporations that adhere to very stringent rules in production for getting the top goods. Obtaining the merchandise. Green tea tablets might be bought on the web and in other wellness food suppliers. These are generally readily offered at a really economical cost of $15 to $25 per bottle. Every single bottle will include 30 to 120 tablets. Buying will require several minutes and payments can be produced online too. The delivery service fees will probably be lying because of the client and shipping is usually door to door. Speak to other customers on the web and discover out more details of the performance from their products and solutions. Read through reviews, and recommendations in a very range of websites. Attempt to look for official seals and insures on the tablets. The green tea products or service really should also originate from tea plantations and farms that comply with natural and all natural expectations. By the time the plants are grown, as many as the harvesting course of action and production procedures. Packaging need to be airtight so freshness and good quality are preserved. Also, verify the expiration date and make sure you only get merchandise which can be proven for being productive for a number of people. in the long run. Pay a visit to the official website of organizations to know concerning the history and processes, and after that choose the top styles that suit your unique objectives for the best possible well-being and vitality.